Hi, I'm Sarah Mitchell and I'm really excited to tell you about an amazing new product Decodable Readers Australia has just launched. The Sparkle Evaluation Kit has been created for teachers to evaluate and monitor the reading skills of their students. The Sparkle Kit is designed to be used alongside the Decodable Readers Australia Series 1 books. It was created to help teachers place a student at the right level of text, as well as inform their teaching programs. Levels 1 and 2 test story prediction, decoding, story retell, literal comprehension, text to self-comprehension, and reading rate. Levels 3 to 8 test decoding, story retell, literal comprehension, text to self-comprehension, evaluative comprehension, and reading rate. The Sparkle Kit is the most comprehensive reading assessment tool currently available in Australia that provides teachers with materials to evaluate the explicit teaching of systematic synthetic phonics.